In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can create and display blinking tab widget for your website. But before moving to that, let's understand what blinking tab is. These days, most people have a lot of tabs open in their browser, and sometimes they even forget about the tab they opened. As a result, some tabs are sidelined and are never opened again. This is where blinking tab comes into picture. It is very clear from the name, the tab that blinks, right? You can show some text and blinking icon. Here is one live demo of blinking tab. It helps catch visitors' attention and makes them revisit your website. So now that it's clear what blinking tab is and why it is used, we will move ahead with creating one blinking tab. Simply follow the steps. Go to app.wisernotify.com. Make sure you have installed the pixel before creating the widget. Once you have installed the pixel, click on Add Notification button. You will see different type of social proof notifications and widgets here. Navigate to widgets, go to others, and here you can find blinking tab widget. Click on select designs and you will see a pop-up asking name and website URL. Enter the name which is easy to remember and mention the URL where you want to display the blinking tab. Once you have filled in this information, click on create and customize and you will be redirected to the customization page. Here we have two sections. The first one is design. Here we have a live preview screen where you can see how your widget will look like on your website. Then on the right side, we have design options. Here you can customize text and animation. In animation, you have three options. Normal, where only the icon and text is displayed. Second is blinking, where the icon and text keeps blinking. Then third, we have scrolling, where the text keeps moving. Here you can set the animation time. If you have set it to 2 seconds, the tab will start blinking after 2 seconds. Let's keep it blinking and move ahead with other customization options. Once you have set it, go back and you will see an option to change text. Remember, if you have selected normal or scrolling animation options, then you will only have one line text. But if you go with the blinking one, the text will be of 2 lines. To change the text and icon, click on any of these. Here, you can edit your text and icon. We have few inbuilt icon options available, but if you want to upload any icon, like your website's icon, you can upload it too. That's all about the design section. Once you are done with design section, click on save button. Now let's move to the display section by clicking the continue button. What you can do here is you can choose where you want to display widget, like display it on all pages or specific pages by using different display conditions. If you want to display the same widget on multiple websites, you just have to add multiple website URL here. Once you have customized both these sections, your widget is ready to go live. Simply click on finish button and turn the widget on. Here, now let's check it on your website. As you can see here, the widget is live on your website. So that's how you create a blinking tab widget. If you still face any queries while creating blinking tab widget, connect with us on a live chat or mail us at support@wisernotify.com.